Hey, Jeff, where are you? I can't find you.
Woo-hoo! Hey, Dev.
Oh, there you are.
Yes, sir.
What's with all the foam?
Ooh, big shipping day. We received a lot of cool stuff today. Come on, I'll give you a look.
Okay, so all that excitement for this little guy?
Oh, Dev, this is just the first part, but this is very exciting piece of equipment. This is for prototyping our SC Power Cube lithium packs, because you know we're going to be building our battery packs right in-house now. So this little guy lets us prototype. It's actually a welder that'll allow us to weld our tabs to each lithium cell to make the battery. So it's pretty exciting, even though it's little.
Okay, well, sounds good, but you said part one. What's next?
Okay, come on, let's go have a look.
Okay, this is looking more interesting. What do we got here?
Yeah, so this is actually kind of the sequel to that one. So once we get the battery pack prototyped, this is actually our robotic CNC welder. So once we get that pack figured out and designed as we want, this will go along and weld in a CNC fashion. So we're no longer doing it manually.
Oh, sweet. So what we get not only our own packs out of this, made in-house, but also just automated and just made on demand.
That's right, repeatability, and we're gonna have our SC Power Cube made right here.
Awesome. Anything else?
Yeah, come on, let's go to the next one.
Okay, these are definitely getting bigger.
Yeah, this one's bigger, you bet.
What does this one do?
So this is our fabric cutter. So this is for our upholstery department. So we're gonna be able to now cut like 10 layers of fabric at the same time, which is gonna increase our productivity tenfold, obviously.
So it does all the cutting automatically?
Yeah, that's right. Come here, let's go look at the head. So this is where the cutting head is gonna go. So we have two different cutting heads. One is a reciprocating saw, and one's kind of like a pizza slicer. So depending on the material we're doing, but we can cut foam with this, we can cut fabric, we can cut cardboard, just about any kind of thing that we wouldn't cut on our CNC routers.
Oh, awesome. So endless possibilities with this guy.
Yes, sir. It's really going to speed up production.
Awesome. Is that all?
No, I got one more for today.
Man.
Come on.
Okay, this is the big one, eh?
This is the big boy. This is our new 4-axis CNC router. This thing is going to open up so many things for us to do in-house, like our molds. So the molds for our bodies, our roofs, all that kind of stuff. We'll be able to cut the molds on this. Obviously, we'll be able to process aluminum and plastics and other things, but the main reason is for our big molds, so we can change body styles and make our own components right in-house.
So you mentioned 4-axis. I mean, we've already got a CNC table. What's the benefit of 4-axis?
Yeah, so 4-axis allows us to get around with the head. So the head of the spindle actually spins. So now we can get a more finished mold right out of the box without having to do after processes to it.
Oh, awesome. So instead of just cutting something out, it's almost like it's sculpting it.
Yeah, that's right. And the other cool thing is this machine has a 12 tool holder. So we'll set up 12 tools in here, and it'll just come along and pick up the tool and change depending on what process. Currently, we had to change each tool for every operation, and now this is all automated.
Oh man, I mean, with all this automation and machinery, this is just, it's a game changer for productivity.
Yeah, and we're just getting started. We have more equipment coming, but this is all I have for today. That's it.
Man, it's still exciting. Can't wait to see the rest when it arrives.
You bet.